Hello, welcome students, good afternoon. Here Sonu sir with a new topic of class 6th English and the chapter 6th, the homesickness of I understand of chapter 6, homesickness. Students, I am ready with the question answer and answer of chapter 6 I understand portion A, and in that some questions are today. Students, you have to open your course books page number 46. In that you are going to say the questions, and I am reading the questions, and after that I will give the answer which is written on board also. I will send PDF also. Students, first question is, what are the similarities between homesickness and seasickness? So first we have to understand the question. Question is asked here that what are the similarities between homesickness and seasickness? So students, we have to know what is homesickness and seasickness. Homesickness means somebody who always wanted to live in his or her home, never wanted to go or live outside. So that person we can call homesick. Okay, so that type of habit is called homesickness. If somebody doesn't want to go outside or to stay in any type of hostel in his or her education, so this is homesickness. Like in this chapter, written by Rohalder, the homesickness is also this type of example is given in this lesson. And what is seasickness? Seasickness, students, that if somebody is traveling by a sea route, with a ship or with a boat, so that time he or she, if has or had any type of problem like whirling, that means getting a rolling of mind, and some type of vomiting problem if is there. So that means problem by sea traveling. Problem traveling via sea, elsewhere with his boat or with the ship. So that is seasickness. So with the question we see what are the similarities between homesickness and seasickness. So students, there is nothing similar between homesickness and seasickness. In answer I am going to write, you have to take a pen and notebook and write answer in your notebook with neat writing. So students, answer is, there is nothing similar between homesickness and seasickness except sickness in both. That means there is sickness in both words, and if somebody is feeling this both type of sickness, that there is illness and sickness in both cases. Otherwise, both things are different. Homesickness, that is somebody morally wanted to live in his her home, and seasickness, that is if someone is traveling from sea route via boat and ship and feeling trouble as whirling of mind and feeling of vomiting. Means if the tension occurs in mind, and mind and body gets whirling and dazzling, and can be fallen or get roll of mind and rolling of body and mind. So this type of problem has been started whenever somebody is in seasickness or traveling via sea route with boat and ship. And same thing, if somebody is always wanted to live in his or her home, this is called homesickness. So there is nothing similarity between both of them except sickness. I will explain that. What is homesickness? That is somebody only wanted to live in his her home and feeling trouble as home, and seasickness, that is if someone is traveling from sea route via boat and ship and feeling trouble as whirling of mind and feeling of vomiting. So that is difference between both of them, and only one similarity in both of them is sickness. Students, Now we move forward to second question. What is question? What are all the symptoms of appendicitis the narrator observed from his sisters? So student, as we know, Rohalder made an excuse of stomach pain of appendicitis, and that excuse was copied from his sister. Sister has been in trouble of appendicitis. He has seen the symptoms and the curation of all things of his sister. So he has copied and used that all tricks to show that he is also in same condition. So what is the question, students? What are the symptoms of appendicitis the narrator observed from his sister? So in answer, students, we have to write all the symptoms of appendicitis the narrator observed from his sister was the pain nearby the right tummy. So pain nearby the right tummy in appendicitis of his sister he has seen. So in stomach pain he also copied that thing from her sister's stomach pain and used in his trick and in his excuse. So students, what was the question? What are the all symptoms of appendicitis the narrator observed from his sister? And answer is all the symptoms of appendicitis the narrator observed from his sister was the pain nearby the right tummy. Okay, students. Now we move on third question, students. And what is question? Who was the narrator able to convince that he was sick and how? So what is question? There is question that who was the person to whom Rohalder narrator convinced that elsewhere he is ill, but the doctor has to hide his thing, his word to his mother and took the 3 days of home rest or holiday. So how he took that holiday of 3 days? Because he convinced to doctor. What is the question? To whom Rohalder convinced and how? How he convinced to him that what he wanted to convince or motivate to his doctor, he has done. How he did this? We have to write this in this answer. So I am repeating the question again. Who was the narrator able to convince that he was sick and how? So answer is narrator able to convince to matron means warden that he was sick by using the trick by copying his sister's pain of appendicitis. So to whom he convinced or he succeeded to convince that he has a pain in his stomach. So he succeeded to convince his stomach pain to his matron or his warden of hostel where he lives. So students, who was the narrator able to convince that he was sick and how? Students, the answer is narrator able to convince to matron, his warden, and I written in bracket, that he was sick by using the trick by copying his sister's pain of appendicitis. Okay, students? Now, students, we see our next question. So, as you know that some kind of satire of health has been used in this lesson. So, I am getting explanation of all things. And question 4 is, students, what symptoms of the illness was the narrator unable to fake? So, first we have to understand the question, that what symptoms that he was not able to fake that he is doing right or somebody can accept it right. So, the only symptoms that we can understand, if there is presence of appendicitis, there would be a rigid or hard pain and the stomach could be rigid and hard. It can be filled with gases and air. So if we see in the condition of Rohrdal, the symptoms was not there, the rigid stomach was not there, and the full stomach was not there, so the hard stomach was not there. So these symptoms was proof that he was using fake, or he was faking. So what is the question, students? What symptoms of the illness was the narrator unable to fake? The answer is, in symptoms of appendicitis, the stomach would have to be hard and rigid. And students, this is by the flash of light. If it is not, this is and rigid. And in these symptoms of the illness was the narrator unable to fake. So if there is pain of appendicitis, in physical symptoms, the stomach would have to be rigidly or hardly tighted or pulled. So that all symptoms were not there in the symptoms of Rohrdal or narrator of this story. So students, today we have done 4 answers. First question was, what are the similarities between homesickness and seasickness? Answer is, there is nothing similar between homesickness and seasickness except sickness in both. Homesickness, that is somebody only wanted to live in her home, and seasickness, that is someone is traveling from sea route via boat and sick and feeling trouble as swelling of mind and feeling of vomiting. That is seasickness. And students, second question is, what are the all symptoms of appendicitis the narrator observed from his sister? Answer, students, all the symptoms of appendicitis the narrator observed from his sister was the pain nearby the right tummy. That when he has been copied from his sister's pain of stomach. So all the symptoms of appendicitis the narrator observed from his sister was the pain near by the right tummy. Students, what was the third question? Who was the narrator able to convince that he was sick, and how? To whom the narrator was able to convince that he is sick, and how he convinced to that person? This is the question, and answer is, narrator able to convince to matron, that means warden, that he was sick by using the trick, by copying his sister's pain of appendicitis. Okay students, and last question, what symptoms of the illness was the narrator unable to fake? So answer is, in symptoms of appendicitis, the stomach would have to be hard and rigid, and in these symptoms of the illness was the narrator unable to fake. So students, he was unable to show his fake clearly that he is ill because he hasn't any symptom that his stomach is fully tightened as rigid or hard. So students, today of class 6, I understand chapter 6, homesickness, we have done 4 questions of I understand. The remaining 3 questions 5, 6, 7 will do in other video, next video, and if there will be and there will get some time, we will also cover the B portion of I understand. Okay students, for today it is end, and you have to write this question answer in your notebook, and you have to memorize this question answer and you have to understand. Students, if there are any queries, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you students, have a nice time.